Welcome! This brief overview highlights how to access and use your My25 Grocery Walmart subscription. It's all about one click. You let us know and keep us updated regarding who should receive the weekly email containing the home's person-centered menus, grocery shopping lists, and recipe prep steps, which are attached to the email as PDFs. When you receive the weekly email, make sure to click Download Images or download external images as you do for emails in general. Click on the Walmart logo that appears as you scroll further down the email. Your one click automatically fills up your Walmart grocery cart based on all the ingredients, scaled to census, needed for the week's menus. But hold on! Before getting to your Walmart cart that's all filled up, you land on a brief detour at the intermediate page. You'll spend about 5 to 10 minutes on the intermediate page, going through 5 points, shown by numbered apples that look like this. Apples 2 and 3 on the intermediate page are of particular importance, helping your home maximize your grocery budget and have on hand what you need for meal prep. So, just some brief insight on these 2 apples. Apple 2 asks you to use the drop-down to easily update item quantities, depending on what the house already has in the cupboards, fridge, or pantry, to avoid overbuying, wastefulness of ingredients that expire, and overspending. Apple 3 asks you to simply choose items not yet in your Walmart cart. This might include items such as fruit of choice, as well as selecting substitutes for ingredients the My25 system knows in real time are currently unavailable at your preferred Walmart store. Yes, we have eyes on the Walmart inventory in your preferred store. Oh, and by the way, you can let us know specific brands and sizes of products you prefer. We'll keep track of these preferences, which will then automatically be included in your grocery shopping lists and carts going forward. When you're done interacting with the 5 apples, most importantly apples 2 and 3, click Buy Now at the bottom of the intermediate page. You're now in your home's online Walmart cart. Complete your purchase as you normally do. As we wrap up this overview, we have a few insider tips once you're in your Walmart cart. Don't hit the back button to return to My25's intermediate page. If you don't want substitutions, you'll click on Choose Substitution Preferences, and then toggle off the Allow Substitutions for this order switch. If you change the Walmart store we populated for you based on proximity to your home, be careful to only choose a Walmart Supercenter. And that's it. Together, we're keeping grocery purchases in healthy, person-centered, budget-sensitive, and time-saving lanes. You're amazing! The next 2 slides take us to the finish line, briefly reviewing a few important notes we'd appreciate you reading. A great big thank you. Reach out with questions at any time. See you at one of My25's live training sessions.